Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I revive some old bundles. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So today I'll be using my Aussie Moist 7-in-1 Miracle Conditioner and the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. So first I'm just going to saturate the hair in some water. I'm also gonna pin the bundles on the side of the pan just so I can get a better grip on the hair without having the bundles all over the place. So just gonna saturate the conditioner in the bundles and split it in halves and then just detangle it with my comb. I'm being very gentle with it, and this is probably the easiest thing you can do without having to just dip the whole hair in the water, because that's gonna cause more tangles and we don't need that. So just get the hair in the just loop the bundles basically and clip them with your clip. And if you have a pan that you can clip the hair on, then that would be good. So just do that, split them in sections, saturate them with the conditioner, and then you detangle it. The first conditioner, the Aussie Moist conditioner, that is for just quote unquote cleaning it and detangling it. Then I'm gonna get the coconut co-wash. That's just for the moisture and the definition. And just gonna be doing the same thing, saturating the hair and detangling it with my brush, my detangling brush that I usually use on my hair to define my curls when I'm doing my wash and go. So I'm just following the same steps with the coconut co-wash and the brush, detangling in sections, and I'm being very gentle. It looks like I'm not, but I'm being very gentle. Okay, I'm being very gentle. So also, if you hear any noise in the background, they're doing some renovations in my apartment complex, so please don't mind that. And not sure if I mentioned it before, but these bundles are very old, probably like 2-3 years old. I had them on a wig. I made a wig with them, and I just decided to just take off the bundles, wash them, and do a new wig. So I may film a video of me creating a new wig. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely gonna create a new wig with it. So as you can see, the coconut co-wash is definitely defining the curls. So this is why I decided to use it, because I knew that it would define the curls much more than the Aussie Moist conditioner. So I'm just gonna finish detangling that, dip it in the water again. Then I'm gonna put this aside and move on to the second bundle. And this bundle is longer, so of course the curls are more elongated. The longer the hair, the bundle, is the thinner the hair. So the next bundle is shorter, so of course it's gonna be the opposite. It's gonna be thicker, so the curls are gonna be thicker and less elongated as this one. So I'm gonna put this aside and move on to the next bundle, repeating the same steps that I did before. Aussie Moist conditioner, then the coconut co-wash. Then of course I'm gonna move on to the frontal, and I'm gonna show you guys how I clean the gunk from the frontal. So this is what I meant by the curls being thicker on shorter bundles. It's definitely thicker than the bundle we did before. So onto the frontal, and this is the most delicate one, and as you can see, it's even drier than the other bundles. And I noticed that when I was detangling it, of course I lost a lot of hair, but that's normal with frontals. The hair is easier to be what's that word? It's easier to lose because of the lace, and it's just attached to the lace by the knots. So that's definitely easier to lose, especially if there are a lot of knots. So lace frontals, closures, whatever, they're very delicate. So I lost a lot of hair, and that's fine because it's old and I haven't washed it in forever. So that's fine. So this is the part that may rub some people the wrong way because of how I'm rubbing the frontal, but it has a lot of gunk from the Got To Be glue gel and the spray. Like I said, I haven't worn this in forever. At this time I was using the Got To Be glued and the spray. So those were my naive days, but I'm just rubbing it with the balls of my hand and my fingertips at the same time, and I'm doing it gently. Even though it's sped up, I'm being very, very gentle because I don't want to tear the lace, and it's a good lace. The hair is still good. So, and here I'm showing you the difference from one side to the next where my method was actually working. It works, but you just have to be very gentle, guys. Be very, very gentle. Take your time, because once it's torn, it can't be repaired. So just take your time. Be very gentle, please. So then I'm gonna get the coconut co-wash, saturate the hair with it, detangle with the brush, and try to get those curls back. And even by doing this, I'm still losing some hair, but I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. And it really doesn't matter, honestly, because the frontal is prone to the most shed hair, and this frontal is old, so it's not new. If it was new, I'd be very upset. So it's really neither here nor there. So yeah, then I'm gonna get some fresh clean water just to remove the excess leftover conditioners that were left in the hair, and I'm gonna dip it in the water, detangle with the curl brush so I can get the curls to stay and dry that way. And I'm just gonna do this for all the bundles. And guys, listen, just tell me if these bundles don't look new. Tell me if they don't look new. Like, tell me down in the comments if they don't look new, please. Because when I was doing this, I was so shocked. It looked just like how they were when I took them out of the package the first time I got them. That's how they looked. I was so shook. Then I'm gonna get my Cantu argan oil leave-in conditioning repair cream. I don't use this anymore on my hair, so I just use it on my wigs, but I'm just getting a small amount. With the frontal, I used a lot, hence why you see a white residue. But even if so, it dries. It doesn't dry with the white residue. So if you're gonna use this, use a little. A little goes a long way. So I'm just putting that on the bundles and using the brush again, just to further enhance the curls and define them. And yeah, after that I'm just gonna put it down to dry, air dry, not touching it anything, as is. Brush it, leave the curls in it, and put it to dry as is. Yeah, so this is a hair 45 to 50% dried, and I am really loving the moisture. It was very shocking. I didn't know I'd get bad curls for the hair, and this is the shorter bundle, which is why the curls are much more tighter. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found it very informative and helpful. And if you have some bundles that you're planning to throw away because they were so old and yucky or whatever, just try this method first and just give the hair a chance. Try it first. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.